In this video, we are going to review the clothing from Yupoo to determine if it's worthy to buy or just a scam. So get started. Yupoo has gained popularity for its wide variety of replica clothing, especially luxury brands. On the surface, the photos look great and the prices are significantly lower than the original. However, that's where the risk comes in the quality of the items. Your order can vary significantly. Some sellers provide surprisingly good replicas with materials that feel similar to the real things, while the other deliver products that fall far short with poor stitching and inferior fabrics. One of the main issues with the shopping on Yelp is that the lack of buyer protection since the platform itself doesn't handle the transaction. You need to communicate directly with the seller, often through the WhatsApp or WeChat. While some sellers are reliable, others may not be, and there is a risk of receiving a product that doesn't match the listing or the worst, nothing at all. If you decide to shop on Yelp, it's crucial to do your research. First, look for the trusty seller with the solid reviews, and make sure they offer source payment method like PayPal. But even then, be prepared for the reality and the possibility that you might not get exactly what you expect. So while Yelp may offer some good deals, it's important to be cautious. That's it.